Today we are going to see how to transfer funds from one bank account to another where the accounts are denominated in different currencies. So for the purposes of this demo, I've set up two bank accounts. One is denominated in US dollars and another is denominated in euros. As you can see, we have a balance of 10,000 US dollars in the USD account, and there are no funds currently in the euro account. So in this demo, we'll transfer 1,000 US dollars from this account to the euro account. In Odoo, the way you do this is by using the internal transfer mechanism, and you can access it by clicking on the three dots, and under new you will see internal transfer. One thing to remember is you should always initiate this transaction from the account from which you're making the transfer. So in this case we are transferring from the US dollar account, so we'll create an internal transfer from here. So when you click on internal transfer, you come to this screen and internal transfer will be pre-selected for you. The payment type will be defaulted to send. Since we are sending funds, we can enter the amount. So in this case we are sending $1,000, and you can enter some memo. So let's say TRF USD to euro. This can be any memo that you would like. The destination journal will be the target account, which is the euro account in this case. You'll save it and confirm. Now if you come back to the dashboard, you will notice that your outstanding payments is showing minus $1,000 over here because you are transferring $1,000, and the equivalent euro amount is showing up under your bank. So the way to clear these outstanding payments is by doing a bank reconciliation. So we haven't entered any bank statement information over here. So in this case, since I don't have online synchronization set up, I'm going to manually create a bank statement and do the reconciliation. So let's create a US dollar bank statement over here first. So let's call it statement something, and we'll just enter a transaction. Now since we are transferring funds out, we'll enter a negative amount, and my ending balance is going to be $9,000 because our balance will go down. And I will save that and post it. Okay, now if you go into reconcile, you will notice that it's showing the counter entry for that over here, which is the $1,000. The other one you are seeing is the entry that you will reconcile on the euro. Select this and validate it. And now if you come back to your dashboard, you're done. So it has cleared the outstanding payment account over here, and your balance is now $9,000 in your GL account. We can do the same thing on the euro side. You create a euro statement. I will add a line. I will add a similar memo. Let's say USD to euro. And now in this case you are in the euro account, so this amount is going to be the euro amount. Now if you have noticed it, the exchange rate was somewhere like $1,000 was equivalent of some 880 odd euros. So let's say your bank gives you only 850 euros in this case, right? So you enter that amount over here, and your ending balance is going to go up to 850 euros. You save it, you post it, and you reconcile this amount. Now what's going to happen is when you go into reconcile these two amounts, you will notice that as per the current exchange rate, you are actually expecting 882 euros, but your bank gave you only 850 euros. So normally these charges are booked as bank fees, so you will write them, basically pass a journal entry where you'll transfer that difference to the bank fees account. So we book it under bank fees, so it reflects over there. and now the two amounts match, so you can click on validate and reconcile the amount. And as soon as you do that, if you come back to the accounting dashboard, you will notice that the outstanding payments have disappeared on the euro account too, and you have transferred 1000 US dollars from your US bank account, and you have received 850 euros against that in your euro account, so that matches your bank statement too. So that's it. Hope that helps. Thanks for listening and watching.